Arro card can report activity that affects your credit profile, but how fast it helps depends more on your payment behavior than the card itself. By the end, you'll know whether Arro is actually useful for building credit, what it does well, where it falls short, and what type of user benefits the most from it. Start with how credit building actually works. Credit building happens when a lender reports your payment history, balance behavior, and account activity to credit bureaus. That means no card builds credit by itself. It only reflects how you use it over time. Now look at Arro's role in that process. If Arro reports to credit bureaus, then on-time payments and consistent usage can help build your credit history. The key factor is payment consistency. Paying on time every month is the strongest positive signal in any credit building system. Missed or late payments do the opposite. Even a small delay can slow down your progress because it adds risk signals to your profile. Now look at what Arro does well. It is designed to be accessible, especially for users who may not qualify for traditional credit cards. That makes it easier for some people to start building credit history without strict approval barriers. But there are limits. Credit building speed is not guaranteed because it depends on reporting structure, usage patterns, and how consistently the account is active. If usage is irregular or the account is barely used, there is very little data for credit bureaus to work with. Now, compare it to stronger credit building tools. Traditional secured credit cards usually give more predictable reporting because they follow standard credit card structures. Arro may feel more flexible, but flexibility does not always mean stronger credit growth. Here's the key idea most people miss. A credit building tool is only as effective as your discipline with payments and usage, not how modern or app-based it looks. So is Arro good for building credit? Yes, if you use it consistently, pay on time, and treat it like a real credit account instead of an occasional spending tool. No. If you are expecting fast or automatic credit score jumps without consistent behavior. Quick recap. Arro can help build credit through reporting and payment history, but results depend heavily on consistent use and on-time payments. It is not a shortcut, it is a tool. Next step is simple. If you use Arro, set up automatic payments, and use the card regularly in small, manageable amounts so your activity stays consistent. Like and subscribe for more honest breakdowns of credit apps and how they actually impact your score.